Hello, in this video I will show you best camera features on POCO M7 Pro. Let me open the camera and here we are able to find some of the fine features. In the photo section you can find to this section over here by clicking this icon, and there is some filters that you can enable for your photos. It's very good looking. In the beautify section you can find this beautify effect. You can adjust this like you want. In the video section you can make the videos, of course. Also this is the beautify and the filters section over here. And very important thing, you cannot change the resolution to 4K. Full HD and 30 FPS only is the maximum on the POCO M7 Pro. There is no 60 FPS or the 4K resolution, sadly. There is also Ultra HD mode, so this allows you to make the pictures in the 15 megapixels. Let's go back to the photo section, and after clicking on this icon over here you are able to use Google Lens. Google Lens uses what your camera sees to find results only while the app is open. It's very useful. Also you can find the translator over here. By clicking on this arrow on the top you are able to find some of the additional features like HDR, AI camera. You can set the timer for the shutter, tilt shift, timed burst, watermark, dynamic shots, and also some of the settings, camera settings. You can adjust camera settings from this section. By swiping up you are also can find some of the additional camera modes like camera pro mode. This allows you to change the camera modes, like you can use you can adjust white balance over here, ISO. There is also document scanner, slow motion, time lapse, and panorama mode. Slow motion allows you to make the slow motion videos, but sadly you cannot change the slow motion speed, and there is also not possibility to change the resolution for the slow motion videos, very sadly. So basically that's how it looks like. The camera is nothing special on this phone. There is no 4K or 60 FPS videos, so this is very bad for this phone, but there is some other modes in the camera that can make the better photos or the videos. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.